Welcome. In this video, I will be solving question from GATE 2022. This was from electronics branch, and this is the question from network theory subject. So we are given this network. This is a 1 ohm resistor. This is a 2 ohm resistor. This is 3 volt voltage source. This is 10 ohm resistor. This is 2 ohm resistor, 1 ohm resistor, and 3 volt voltage source. And this is grounded. So we have to find the value of current I. Current I is flowing through this 10 ohm resistor. Now this is very easy question. It is based on concept. So we have to find the value of this current I. Let us assume that the current flowing through this branch is I. Let's say I1. So I1 will flow here. The same I1 will flow in this loop as well. So this is also I1. Because these are connected in a series combination. See, if you from this point 2 ohm, 3 volt resistor and 3 volt voltage source and 1 ohm. These three are connected in series combination. So the same current I1 will be flowing through this. So the value of this current I will be equal to 0. Because even if you apply the Kirchhoff's current law at this node, then what you get? I plus I1 minus I1 equal to 0 as per KCL. Because the incoming current must be equal to the outgoing current, or we can say that the total sum of currents at any node is 0. So I plus I1 minus I1 will be equal to 0. This will give me I equal to 0. So I equal to 0 is the correct option. I equal to 0 is the correct option. Even if this ground, even if the circuit was like this, see, we have already solved it. Now let's say the ground was not here, the ground was here. If suppose the ground was here, then also the value of I will be 0, because the same current will be flowing through this. Let's suppose this is current I2. Then here also the current I2 will be flowing, because these are also connected in series. These three are connected in series. So the same current must be flowing through all of them. The same current must be flowing through all of them. So even if the ground was here, then also I will be equal to 0. In our question, the ground was here and the value of current I is 0. So this is a very easy question. It is based on concept, and in GATE exam we only get easy questions based on which are based on concepts. So we have to understand the concepts very well. So thank you, and if you have any doubt you can comment in the comment box.